Hello everyone. So almost 1 year ago I made a little video to show that the Nest Hello Doorbell had some Christmas and New Year themes. Now the application generated a pop-up to inform that there are Halloween themes available. So let's test how they sound. So in order to activate the special theme, you simply scroll down in the doorbell settings and select the theme. There's only one theme available, Scary Sounds. There's no preview at all, so you should go and listen for yourself how they sound like. So let's see. So I think we have heard them all. I think they're super nice and funny to hear. A thing that is very handy is that after the holidays the setting disappears automatically and the sound of your doorbell goes back to normal without having to set something in your application manually. So hope you like this small video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.